Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Last time I showed you how to use this Phantom 4 battery to charge many devices. In this video, I'm going to show you specifically what type of devices that you can charge, and you'll be amazed at what it can do. For example, I was able to charge my DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries. All three of this was able to be fully charged using this battery, and there was still some charge left over. In fact, I could also charge my wireless ceramic audio system as well because it's using USB-C. In addition, if I have a little bit more juice left, I can also charge my smartphone. So let's talk about it right now. All right, so here it is. This is the Phantom 4 batteries. Now this battery is actually damaged. In other words, when I plug it into my Phantom 4 drone, what ended up happening was it'll show battery is damaged. You have to go get it to service, something like that. So I didn't want to do that because its warranty has expired. In addition, I've seen some videos that took this apart and you can actually reset it or something like that. But I didn't want to touch it because like my previous video, I mentioned that I don't want to touch any of these circuits, especially battery, and fly my drone and all of a sudden find out that my drone just collapsed or fall into the ground and it might injure someone. Okay, so in terms of safety, I am not going to take a chance to do that. However, I did find use for this battery, and you'll be very impressed what I can do with this. Let me show you. You can check my previous video how I do this, but basically I built this very simple terminals, positive and negative terminal, and I already showed you last time that from right to left here, the second slot, or you can put your pin there, and the sixth slot, okay, the second slot I believe is a negative terminal, and the sixth slot is the positive terminal. Okay, you can this is where you put your pin in there. Okay, the two pins that I made up. Okay, so how I did that, I put the two pin in there like a plate in there, and then I hot glue here, right, and it made it solid, and so the position is fixed. And then I put a clamp that has a socket like the car socket. Thus I was able to then connect my, let me show you quickly, the powerful USB-C connector. Okay, so now I can now charge any devices that has USB-C or the standard USB. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. And also, in addition, I could even use this special USB, like 4 slots, to charge more than one devices. Okay. Anyway, let me show you quickly how I do that. So the first thing I would do is I'll make sure I connect it properly. So negative second slot to the sixth slot there, like that. Okay, so it looks something like that. There we go. Okay, and then I would turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it's only have 2 bar. I recharged my battery system already, so that's from 4 to 2. So you can see I still have something left over. But just let me quickly illustrate that this is definitely possible to charge your batteries like the Mini 3. You can also do that with Mini 2, as long as the Mini 2 I believe has a USB-C. Okay, so let me do that quickly. So there it is. This is the USB-C connector. This is a powerful USB-C connector to the car slot, like this one here. I think it's a 5 volt 3 amp or 9 volt 2.5 amp and 12 volt 2 amps. So quick charger. As you can see, when you put it in, it's blue, meaning that it's ready to charge any devices. Then I'll grab my USB-C connector. Okay, so let me put that in. There we go. And now you have a USB-C. What I'll do next is, here it is. This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So I'll connect. Now I recharge it, but you can see that when I connect it, it's gonna, see that? And then see, it's fully charged. So if I didn't have it fully charged, it will show the signal that it's charged. But since I charged it yesterday, it's now fully charged. As you can see, big battery like this one here is able to charge this Mini 3 batteries, and there's still half of it's left over. Quite amazing. Now, since I have enough energy left, I will now charge my wireless ceramic audio system that I'm using right now. Okay, so there's one in here. Let me show you. There's one. Okay, So what I'll do is I'll plug it in. This is a 5 volt 1.5 amp. As you can see, I turn it on again, right? It's actually, yeah, so you can see it's being charged right now. Okay, so pretty cool. All right, so what else can I do with this? Well, I can also use it to plug into my 4 USB slot. Now this is a standard slot. This is not the quick charger. This is like, I think 5 volt 1 amp or 1.5 amp. So for maybe like small devices that's not as powerful, you can use it to charge, like say a fan, a light, LED light and all that, okay? But having this 4 slot is pretty cool. So let me show you quickly. So I'm going to take this out and place this in there, okay? As you can see now, I can now charge and, let's see if we can, I think it came out loose. Just give me a second here. As you can see here, it's ready to charge. So if I plug in, let's say, okay, say I plug this standard USB-C, and there we go. It's charging even my Ceremonic wireless system, okay? In fact, it's doing that right now because it recognizes that 5 volt 1.5 amp is running through it, and so this device is now able to be charged. And if I have another USB connector, I can charge a light, for example, light system, or I can charge a fan. So 4 slots. Amazing, right? So just using this it's actually broken or damaged Phantom 4 Pro batteries. You can also use Phantom 4 standard battery as well, but it's not going to be as powerful. This is a 90 watt-hour system, so you have plenty of charges to charge many things. In fact, let me show you another thing you could do. Okay, let me switch over to this powerful USB-C connector. I will now try to charge my phone. Let's see. Okay, so if I connect to my phone, it will say it's a quick charger. Watch this. Well, I can't stop the recording, but it will say a fast charging unit that's coming into the phone. Okay, so in other words, it's make this phone charge much faster because I have this special car adapter 5 volt 3 amp system that is a fast charging system to the phone. So yes, definitely amazing. You can use this Phantom 4 to charge your DJI Mini 2 or Mini 3, including also the remote control as well, okay? So quite amazing. So do not throw away your Phantom 4 Pro or Phantom 4 Standard because the power in here, okay, it's a, I believe it's a 17.4 volt, and you can bring down the 17.4 volt to a 12 volt system, and then you can charge many devices, including a USB-C devices that is compatible, say, to the Mini 2 or Mini 3 drone, and your other devices like the wireless audio system, all right, or your smartphone. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.